Alex is working with JSON data in Python. He receives data from an API and tries to load it. Everything looks correct, so he clicks run. But Python shows an another error. This error is called JSON decode error, and it happens when the Python cannot understand the JSON format. Think of it like this. Alex receives a puzzle, but one piece is missing. The puzzle looks almost complete, yet it cannot be assembled correctly. Python feels the same way about JSON. JSON follows strict formatting rules. Every opening brace needs a closing brace. Every string needs scope, and every key value pair must follow proper syntax. Look at the problem. The opening curly brace exists, but the closing brace is missing. Python cannot parse the data. The fix is simple. Now the JSON structure is complete. Python can read it successfully. Another common mistake is forwarding quotation marks around keys. This is not a valid JSON. In JSON, keys must always be enclosed in double quotes. Sometimes API returns incomplete or corrupted JSON data, even when your Python code is correct. But JSON from an external source can still trigger a JSON decode error. Whenever you see JSON decode error, check these things. Are all braces closed? Are keys wrapped in double quotes? Is the JSON structure complete and valid? Most JSON decode errors are caused by formatting mistakes. Alex fixes the JSON structure, runs the program again, and everything works perfectly. Problem solved.